All right, you're on my channel. Thank you, Dollar Tree. I refrigerated. Why would somebody stick avocados in a refrigerator and ripen them? Those are refrigerator ripened avocados. And this is how you preserve them. Thank you, Dollar Tree. In a week, they're good to go. Sorry, that's why you come to my channel, because I do things, cook things no one has ever done before, actually. That's how I roll. In a week from now, they'll be good. So now I have to make another video of testing. This is my video diary. Yummy, right? Wait for it. All right, it's a taste test. It's preserved right there. Little bite. Perfect. This is sushi grade avocado. I'll be honest, sushi chefs enjoy just a little bit harder. But actually, it's perfect. Don't plan on saving it. Plan on using it tonight. So there you go. There's another secret. Coconut spray or any vegetable spray to seal in. But wait for it. These are so old. I wanted the blue lids and I have to use the red. So thank you, Pyrex Storage Plus. They work, and I keep using them and using them and using them. Love them. Thank you, Pyrex. I use a lot of Pyrex. We love Pyrex. Don't ever heat them and drop something cold on them. They explode. Oops. I let the secret out.